So guys, I'm here to tell you I'll be taking the One Piece challenge and we'll watch all 909 episodes of the series in only 20 days. I'm going to make a video record of my progress so you guys can follow along as I go through this challenge. Wish me luck. Whew, that was a grind, but I really powered through. You know, I really like this show. This challenge is going to be a lot of fun. Alright guys, I'm 3 days in. I would really like to sleep tonight, but I gotta get some more episodes in. Hello? Oh hey boss, why am I not at work again? Oh, I'm sick or whatever and I can't come in. Well, you don't have to fire me. Oh, whatever. I don't need that job. My job is watching One Piece. Karen, don't go. Look, I don't know why you're forcing me to choose only one. I mean, why can't I finish watching One Piece and then pay attention to you and the kids? Karen, wait! You know, who needs Karen and the kids? Luffy and Nami. They're my real family. You know, One Piece really inspired me. First thing I'm gonna do when I finish this challenge is sell the house and begin my new life as a pirate. I know my friends from One Piece are out there somewhere, waiting for me, and I can't let them down. I like big anime titties. They laughed at me for stapling a straw hat to my head, but when a strong gust of wind comes, we'll see who's laughing then. Almost there. When I finish this challenge, everyone's gonna love me again. Karen and the kids will come back, my boss will give me my job back, and I will be better than ever. It's over. It's finally over.